Hey, what's up, everyone? This is Blake&Tinkscale. Today, we are with one of our clients, Dustin Waller, inside the agency. He owns a pressure washing company. Dustin, welcome to this interview. Thank you for taking the time to do this.
Appreciate it, y'all.
Yeah, man. So, can you tell a little bit more about to the audience? What is your business, and what do you guys sell, and how long have you been guys in business?
Uh, Currently, company's Crossroads Softwash LLC. I'm located in South Carolina. We offer
Okay.
concrete cleaning, driveways, house washes, gutter cleaning, gutter brightening, deck staining, deck cleaning, wood restoration. Pretty much everything dealing with softwash. I do. And I've been in business a little over
Nice,
a year
nice,
now, or right at
nice.
a year.
All right, man. That's good. That's good, man. That's good to hear. And on that period for over the year right now, like what you were doing mainly before, when it comes
Uh,
to marketing, how were you getting like
yeah.
jobs?
Manually before it was just word of mouth. I had a few yard signs out. And
Okay,
really and truly, it was only friends and family that called. I tried to do the Google thing.
right.
I
So it's
joined the
mainly
agency when
referrals, right? Okay.
yep, I tried to I joined a little agency to try to get my Google up and running. So maybe I can pull people from searching on Google. No
Yeah.
success there. Zero leads, zero
Yeah.
closings on those.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's interesting because a lot of pressure washers they try to do SEO because basically it's free. You don't spend anything, but it's not free. Like it takes months and months and months of basically building organically, so you can start getting leads. So you basically either you're gonna invest time or invest money. So like that's basically it. So like right now, so basically right now what we started with us on the agency. We're mainly doing Facebook ads for you. So you haven't done any Facebook ads before, right?
Oh well, I dabbled in it, but I didn't know what I was doing. So yeah. I
All
think I did
right,
it for
all
like
right.
1 week. So
And and what was the results from that?
zero. Zero
There. All
leads.
right. And right now, yeah, yeah, and right now we started to work. I think over like it's a month right now. So from when since we started to right now, what do you think? Can you tell us more about the results that we've got you? How many leads we've got you, and that we generated, and also how many jobs have you booked so far?
Right now, I mean, I ain't even looked at it today. I know I had a few calls. Let's see.
Yeah, we've
I ain't
generated
looked at it this
over
morning.
100 leads in the last like 30 days. So yeah,
Yeah,
I'm just
yeah,
curious
yeah.
about how
100 leads
many.
in 30 days, and I
Yeah.
think I'm right at 20. Uh-oh.
Nice, nice. Nice. That's good. So 26 jobs booked. Nice. That's good, man. That's good. So it's close to a month
No,
right
not
now.
a month yet. I believe a month it will be actually let me see here. I have everything written down. I think it's the let's see. A month is 20th. So
Yeah.
Monday. Monday will be a
Monday,
month.
yeah.
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 Exactly. Yeah.
So
So
hopefully, I
that's
mean,
good, man.
usually in the
That's
weekend,
good to
I'm
hear,
I'm
man.
usually closing about at least one job a day. And it's crazy, y'all. It's like one day you can go and no, you don't get nobody, and by the end of the day, you get four calls. You know what I mean? It's blows my mind. I mean, it's
Yeah.
now that I joined,
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
which my
That's
laptop
how
come in,
basic.
y'all. So
Yeah.
hopefully I
Yeah.
can start playing on the high level a little better. So
Nice. Nice, man.
yeah.
Nice. That's good to hear. So, like, what do you like? Do you think basically Facebook ads is the best, thing you can do in your pressure washing company, especially in 2026, to scale to multi six figures a year business to have a multiple six-figure pressure washing company?
I think so. I mean, like I said, I mean, y'all, I mean, results are crazy just from this month, you know. So I'm only imagine now that I'm getting
Yeah,
better at talking and doing stuff like that, I should be fine, you know.
yeah,
I should definitely hit 30.
yeah,
I
yeah.
should hit over 30 next month for sure.
Yeah, 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 yeah,
But
exactly. Yeah, yeah, exactly, man.
and
So
now that I'm getting my
as you
name out there
start,
too, so
basically, yeah,
yeah.
yeah. No, that's good. That's good. As long as you start like basically knowing how to close these leads, mainly coming from ads and all of that stuff, you have a system dialed in, you have a framework. It's gonna be month after month after month. It's gonna be more and more scalable, and you're gonna basically increase like your revenue. You're gonna be making more money. So that's actually good.
Yeah.
That's nice, man. That's nice to hear. So, basically, what would you tell to anyone who thinks like ads, Facebook ads, don't work for pressure washing?
What would I tell people that say that Facebook ads don't work? Is that what you said?
Yeah, yeah, exactly. Yeah,
Yeah, that they
yeah,
work,
yeah,
dude.
yeah,
I mean, hands down. I'm a believer for sure. I mean, when you tell people how much you spend, it might scare them off a little bit, but you're gonna make the revenue as long as you can sell. You know what I mean? So, um,
yeah, yeah, exactly. Yeah,
that's what I was
exactly,
telling
man.
the guys that's to
Nice.
call me. I don't. Did y'all do anything with them guys, or did they close in, or the guys I talked to?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice, nice. That's good to hear, brother. That's good. And so, what would you say to anyone who is in the fence working with Blake and Chinkscale?
I just tell them, that was the best decision I ever made. Um, So, I mean, that's what I told the two guys I've talked to from different locations in the country that called me and asked me about y'all. So, um, yeah, so
Yeah,
far so good, man. It's been great. I appreciate everything y'all do. Y'all helped me out a
yeah,
lot.
yeah, man. For sure, for
Yeah,
sure, brother. Yeah. All
yeah.
right, man. So yeah, thank you very much for taking the time to do this interview with us. Really appreciate it, man. And yeah, and if you need anything, you can just text us. And yeah, thank you, man.
All right, man.
Speak
All
soon.
right, dude. I appreciate it, y'all. All right,
Yeah,
man. Y'all
Take
have
care,
a good
sure,
man.
one.
man.
All right.